Is this what everyone that owns the XJ goes through? What's up, guys? It's Rob with Project XJ99, and we're going to be updating some headlights today. Headlights, corner markers, blinker lenses, and I'm pretty excited, so let's get to it. So these come in a kit I got off of Amazon, and I'll put all the links in the description below. But these are the smoked lens blinkers and corner markers. Since I painted the grill black, I wanted to incorporate a lot of black accent lights on there. I got those, and LED black accented. Pretty excited for those. So I'm not going to worry about hooking up the daytime running just yet. I'm just going to install them so I do have some better lighting at night, and we'll worry about that later on. Alright, screw it. So we're going to do the daytime running lights, which the XJ doesn't have daytime running lights, but if you pull your parking lights, you'll be able to have those on as well. So I don't know, even as a teenager, my dad did it, all my other friends did it. Just pull your parking lights, drive with your parking lights on during the day. It just gives more, I don't know, it just gives a little more flash to your vehicle, I guess. So we're gonna do that now. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna tie it in with the parking lights, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I have the lenses taken apart. I'm going to pull out this headlight. So these lights are plug and play. Goes right into your factory lights. But this red right here is the constant for these corner lights, side lights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it into a constant on these and go from there. So we're going to have to cut some wires. Now you're going to want to test which is which, but I already watched a YouTube video, and it's going to be your middle wire that you're going to want to use. So these lights came with another adapter, which isn't going to be used, so I'm actually going to use this wire to splice my lines. I'm going to cut both ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to splice this line into it with a butt connector, and then put a male connector for the light to plug in. Now I told you I watched another video on which light and wire it is. It's going to be this light, and it's going to be the middle wire that says minor on the light itself. So just make it a little easier, and these are going away anyway. Take that out. Pull this back a little bit, and it's going to be the middle wire, which looks like it's brown. So I'm just going to put this butt connector in, reconnect these two, but I'm going to splice this one in as well. I need to invest in some good crimpers. Alright, so there's that. Now we're going to put these two together. And there it is. There we have it. Just like that. Pretty simple. I'm going to cover it with some electrical tape just to be safe. So we are ready to install the lens. There we go. I hope that's long enough. Now don't torque these down. If you're using an impact, use your head, like I always say. And see if we can make this reach. It does. grab your light bezel, because then it has to go back on. Alright. Definitely going to need some adjustment, but I'm going to turn them on before I button everything back up on this side and see if it works. Yeah, they're working. There they are. We'll go ahead and change these out while we're here on this side. The only thing I don't like is that you got to use your factory screws. It'd been nice to get some new hardware, but oh well. Pulls out. You have to use some All right, so I'm pretty happy with them. They look pretty cool. I do have more lights coming tomorrow. We'll continue the video with this, and we'll also continue the video tonight after I adjust them. So stick around. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out. Make a flagpole holder for less than $25, and actually I found it something even cheaper. These are actual wooden flagpoles you put on your house. I bought 2 of them yesterday to see how they would hold up. Not too bad. I didn't do any highway driving or anything like that. I didn't want to tear up the new nylon flag, so yeah, if you haven't seen it, check that video out. So it came. Smoked third brake light. And it's easy install. All you do is plug it into your light socket. Let's put it on. That's it. You literally take the bulb out, plug it in. That's it. Alright, so third brake light did not work. So put the old one back on and went to return it. And then this happened. Yeah, it turned out to be a real fucking good video, huh? So, nothing major. I did bend this up pretty good. I'll have to bend that back. The good thing is it only broke one of my new lights. So, it only broke this one. The bad news is I got about $700 worth of repairs to do. Maybe 900. I don't know about the hood. It's bent under. I do see a little crease right here. But this whole thing is on top of the hood, so I'm gonna have to pull it off. New fenders. These were already dented up, but I guess I'm buying new fenders now. New header panel, new grill. While I'm getting the new grill, I'm going to get the new light bezels. New fender. I can probably keep this and reshape that. And then new bumper corners, and I need a new vacuum bulb that broke. So yeah, fuck me, right? Is this what everyone that owns the XJ goes through? So, oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.